Do you want to use your STC Bank ATM card in Saudi Arabia? In this video, I will show you a simple way to get your official STC Bank ATM card. Let's go. Firstly, open your STC Bank application. Now, enter your password to log in. Now, tap cards. Then tap create your STC Bank card. Tap physical card. Select the card. Tap Mother. Select the card. Then tap continue. Agree the terms and conditions. Tap continue again. Now, create your PIN. Repeat it. Now enter your delivery address. Make sure your address is correct. Once you don't, tap continue. Tap confirm. Tap confirm. Now you will receive a call from STC Bank. Now verify your phone number. You will receive OTP from STC Bank. Once you receive it and start tapping it. Tap done. Now you have placed your order now. Next thing we're gonna do is to show you how to activate it when you receive it. Now tap the ATM card. Tap continue. And then enter your last 4 digits of your new ATM card. Tap continue. Agree the terms and conditions and tap continue. Now you will receive a verification call from STC Bank. Now you will receive verification code from STC Bank. Once you receive it and start tapping it. Now your STC Bank ATM card is ready to use. Tap got it. You can now use your STC card in any ATM or store in Saudi Arabia. Thank you for watching.
I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.